Peacekeeping from Honduras, Mr. Agustin Ortiz. He takes care of our information and guest service department. Is our guest relation manager from Italy, Mr. Alfredo Martino. Is responsible of the exclusive area of Yacht Club. Is our Yacht Club director from Italy, Mr. Signor Lorenzo Gallorano. He managed the entire food and beverage operation. He is responsible for sanitation standard, food quality, and food safety. He is our F&B director from Italy, Mr. Gianluca Falanga. He is direct assistant of the hotel director. He supervises all the hotel operation on board. He is our director of hotel services from Italy, Mr. Alessandro Di Costanzo. She organized our exciting and beautiful shore excursions. Ladies and gentlemen, she's our excursion manager from Ukraine, Miss Natalia Bolovareva. She's responsible for managing the welfare for 1,500 crew on board. Ladies and gentlemen, she's our human resource officer from Brazil, Miss Larissa Borelli. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for you, per voi cari signori, lo Stato Maggiore, l'État Major, la Planta Mayor. Ladies and gentlemen, he and his staff are standing to provide a medical assistant for 24 hours. Is our chief doctor from Serbia, Mr. Alexander Pizar. Is the man responsible for the constant safety training of our crew and emergency procedures for the ship. Ladies and gentlemen, he's our safety officer from Italy, Mr. Antonio Iaccarino. The responsible for all hotel services, and he's about 80% of the crew on this beautiful floating hotel. Is our hotel director from Italy, Mr. Giuseppe Pani. He's the man who keeps our amazing engine all power, the water and the air condition in perfect condition. Is our chief engineer from Italy, Mr. Domenico Pani. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to present you the master. Cari signori, è arrivato il momento di presentarvi el comandante, lo comando de las misiones de Basica Barbarossa, es el capitán de este hermoso barco. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands up together for the captain, Mr. Roberto Liotta.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome on board the beautiful MSC Bellissima. I trust you are enjoying your cruise with us, and I am sure you are enjoying our beautiful vessel and our hospitality. I can guarantee that on our side we are going to make all our best to make sure that this cruise is going to be a wonderful and memorable vacation for all of you. On behalf of all the officers, staff and crew, thank you very much for choosing to sail with us for your vacation, and I wish to all of you a wonderful evening. Thank you very much. Now for our Spanish-speaking guests, damas y caballeros, buenas noches y bienvenidos a bordo de la hermosa MS Bellissima. Estoy seguro de que estén disfrutando de nuestra hermosa embarcación y nuestra hospitalidad. Puedo garantizarles que de nuestra parte haremos lo posible para que este crucero sea unas vacaciones maravillosas y memorables para todos ustedes. En nombre de todos los oficiales y toda la tripulación, muchas gracias por elegir navegar con nosotros durante sus vacaciones. Y les deseo a todos una maravillosa velada. Muchas gracias. And now for our French-speaking guests. Mesdames et messieurs, bonsoir. Au nom de les officiers et tout l'équipage, bienvenue à bord. Merci d'avoir choisi MSC Croisière. J'espère que vous passez de magnifiques vacances à bord du MSC Bellissima et que vous appréciez notre hospitalité. Je vous souhaite une bonne soirée. Merci beaucoup. And for our German-speaking guests, I will try my best. Meine Damen und Herren, guten Abend. Im Namen meiner Reederei und der Besatzung heiße ich Sie herzlich willkommen an Bord der MSC Bellissima. Wir bedanken uns, dass Sie MSC Kreuzfahrten gewählt haben. Wir geben unser Bestes, um Ihre Kreuzfahrt unvergesslich zu machen. Wir wünschen Ihnen eine wunderschöne Kreuzfahrt. Vielen Dank. Now we have a big group from Russia for our Russian-speaking guests. I would like to do it in Russian, but it is too difficult for me. So I have here our international hostess Yulia that will do it for me. Thank you, Yulia.
Good evening, Master. Good evening, everyone. Дамы и господа, добрый вечер и добро пожаловать на борт прекрасного лайнера MSC Bellissima. Мы надеемся, что вы наслаждаетесь вашим круизом с нами. Мы убеждены, что вы наслаждаетесь нашим прекрасным судном и нашим гостеприимством. Мы можем гарантировать, что с нашей стороны мы сделаем все возможное, чтобы этот круиз стал прекрасным и незабываемым отдыхом для всех вас. От имени нашего капитана, всех офицеров, персонала и членов экипажа мы благодарим вас за то, что вы решили провести свой отпуск с нами и желаем всем вам прекрасного вечера.
Спасибо. We have several groups this cruise from really all over the world. We would like to speak all the languages, but we can't. But I would like to acknowledge a few bigger groups from specifically from Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, and we have a bigger group from Mongolia. I would like to acknowledge the group. And we have also a group from Brazil. And now I want to acknowledge our Italian passengers. Dopo avervi fatto aspettare i nostri carissimi passeggeri italiani. Signore e signori, buonasera e benvenuti a bordo della stupenda MSC Bellissima. Spero che la crociera sia di vostro gradimento e che stiate apprezzando la nostra bellissima nave e la nostra ospitalità. Vi posso garantire che da parte nostra faremo del nostro meglio per assicurarci che questa crociera sia una vacanza meravigliosa ed indimenticabile per tutti quanti voi. A nome di tutto l'equipaggio e dell'intero e di tutti gli ufficiali, grazie per aver scelto di viaggiare con noi per le vostre vacanze. Buona serata, grazie.
Ladies and gentlemen, head department officers, senior officers, and the Captain Roberto Iota. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the master Roberto Iota. Thank you, Captain. Grazie, shukran. Arigato. Spasiba. Muito obrigado. Ciao. Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, before to start the show, prima di cominciare lo spettacolo, antes di empezar lo spettacolo, tonight do we have someone who's celebrating some like birthday? Qualcuno che festeggia il compleanno, l'anniversaire? No one, no birthday, nothing. Someone who's celebrating divorzio. Nothing. Okay, so no birthday. Honeymoon. Luna di mieli. Hola. Yes, honeymoon. Yes or not? Divorce or honeymoon? Both of them. Okay, so we don't have no one celebrating nothing tonight. Anyway, so ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna start the show. Do you like rock music? Wow! So this is your place, ladies and gentlemen. Take sit, relax, and enjoy the show. So, ladies and gentlemen, signori e signori, mesdames et messieurs, damas y gospoda, mesdames et messieurs, meine Damen und Herren, for you tonight, Solid Rock Show! Ciao!
7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your rock on, join me on. Have some fun while the clock's right on. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock to rock tonight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock says soon, turn up for the bounce slow down and jump on more. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock to rock tonight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Last time the piano. When the time brings 5, 6 and 7, we'll be right at 7. And we're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock to rock tonight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. You shoot my name, but you're right in my brain. Too much love at the man insane. To break my will, I want to trip. That's a pressure billboards of fire. I let you know for the boy, good morning. To bring my love and moving on it. I took my mind, I look goodbye. That's a pressure billboards of fire. Ain't no better. It's gonna go to baby when we are there. You and me and it up to be open. People going from my side on. You hear the baby music when the sun goes down. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Johnny be cool, yeah. You should my name, brother, right in my brain. Too much love at the man inside. Come on, we're on my wheels. I wanna trip. That's the pressure billboards of fire. I'm the love for the clock, good morning. You get my love, I'm just moving it. I see my mind, I'm looking fine. That's the pressure billboards.